everyone, this is Serenity with liftedtrucks.com. This month's featured vehicle is a custom-built 2019 Jeep Wrangler Moab Edition 4x4. The 2019 Jeep was the Motor Trend SUV of the year. It also won Four-Wheeler of the Year by leading off-road publications and Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value. This vehicle features a fuel-efficient 3.6-liter V6 motor that produces 285 horsepower. This one has low 15,000 miles and features upgraded off-road suspension, fuel off-road bronze wheels, Toyo all-terrain tires, tan leather interior, touchscreen, and more. Right now, we have over 600 trucks and SUVs to choose from. For more information on this vehicle or any others, please give us a call at 833-640-2740 or log on to liftedtrucks.com.